Looking for free Robux and stumbled upon Rx9.pro? Hold up before you jump in, let's take a deeper look at what's really going on behind the flashy promises. Rx9.pro claims you can earn free Robux simply by entering your Roblox username and completing a few easy tasks. But let's be honest, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The site's entire setup is designed to lure in users with the hope of quick rewards, but there's a catch at every step. First, there's no official connection to Roblox whatsoever, which should already raise eyebrows. Then come the tasks. While they seem simple at first, they often lead you down a rabbit hole of endless app downloads, surveys, and shady redirects that go nowhere useful. Some of these redirects even ask for sensitive personal information or permission to access your device, which is a huge red flag for data security. Even after jumping through all the hoops, there was no sign of any Robux reward, no confirmation, no updates, just an empty result and wasted time. What's worse is the complete lack of transparency. There's no clear contact info, no terms of service that explain anything properly, and definitely no proof that anyone has actually received Robux from this site. While it didn't directly harm the device or account, it left more questions than answers. So is Rx9.pro a legit way to get Robux? Based on the experience, it's neither a straightforward scam nor a trustworthy tool. It just sits in that shady gray area, preying on curiosity and desperation. Be smart, protect your data, and don't fall for the glitter of free rewards that never actually show up.